Okay, this is called Travessa du Clube de Iates. So you got kind of at the base of it, there's like a big sand pit right in here. And then there's also some walkways. So these walkways that go over there, which is the waterfront. So you can see all these boats in there, the yachts. So there's even like a little rescue. There's people exercising over there. So all of this is like a little bit of a harbor for some boats to park. And then on the other side you have this little Travessa that we're gonna walk down. And this Travessa, some restaurants down there. There's McDonald's. I think there's Jollibee down there as well. But we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're gonna film down it. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is going to be our kind of target area, so I'm just going to move down. There are a lot of kids that I don't really want to film, but I do want to capture the streets and just kind of let you know that this is here. And then we're going to walk all the way down it. I guess we're going to have to walk around the playground a little bit because I don't want to walk through it. We do have some artwork like that. And we're just going to walk around the peripheral part. And then we'll also just kind of show you that there's another street here called Hua Du Lam Mao. So this is kind of a popular place for kids. You can see even the... Okay, so I'm gonna keep on strolling through this. You can see all of the different stuff. It's a little bit bright. Let me just see. I think I'm gonna go this way. There's also skating over there too, but I want to be sensitive to all the families, so I don't want to be filming the kids. But anyways, there is skating. There's like a sand pit. There's lots of playground stuff, and then we're gonna come out to this all these big apartment block stuff. And then they do have all of these things as well. And I think I'm gonna come to an end. Let me just see if I can get out of here. I cannot. Okay, so I guess that's gonna be the end of the video. So that is all this little street right there, this little Travessa. And then I'm gonna come by and we're just gonna end the video. And this is all this little Travessa, the Clube de Iates, right there. So it'll be kind of a short video.